在外国的垃圾桶里都能找到什么？接下来我们跟着拾荒者麦克的脚步去寻找宝藏。
Those are AC registers. This says a bar type supply. What is a bar type supply? Car supply? Yeah, that's more of them. Holy cow. Look at that. These boxes are full. Is this all the same stuff? Look at that roofing stuff, it looks like. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. A little wire right here. Grab my wire. Well, all right, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see something right here on the top. Is that a little AC unit? I think so. AHRI certified. Yeah, I think it's an AC unit of some sort. What's in this box? It says ductless system. Is that an AC, one of those wall A or the? That looks brand new. There's a remote and everything. Ductless system high wall. Huh. Dude, right off of the bat. Oh. Yeah. Right off of the bat. Now that is what I'm talking about. Right off the bat, and I think it's new. Whew. Oh yeah, and some of y'all might be asking about my shoes. Mike, what's up with the shoes? No boots? Well, actually, I was tying my boots before I went out tonight and popped the lace, so I'm wearing my at-work home shoes. They have a composite toe and puncture-resistant soles. But the boots will be back once I get some laces. I hear the cops, man. I hear the cops. The cops are coming for me. There's a little motor up in here. Get the motor! Back there. Let's see. No refrigerant lubricant in the lubricant box. Got us an offering for the scrap, man. I'll take these. Not that tank. Offering for the scrap guy. Give these boxes a little poke. A little poke. That feels pretty heavy. What's so heavy up in this box? That's making me very interested. Not much happening coming out the box. Let's see. A little bit there, a little bit there. Crap. It's breezy out here. And it's looking a little creamy up in here. Look at that, y'all. What is that? Country ranch dressing. Country ranch dressing. And cheese. Is there a tree in the tree box? There's no tree in the tree box. Well, I see a tree here. Okay. Interesting. Find a dumpster that's got a tree or a box for the tree and no tree, and then the next dumpster you find the tree but no box. It's a bizarre scenario we're faced with here. Definitely a bizarre predicament indeed. Whew. Man, you're a brave little moth. You have my respect. All right, microwave way up in the back, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we got a Frigidaire gallery here. It's a Frigidaire gallery. Yeah. There's a stick. This is what they use to clean cobwebs and stuff up high, huh? Connect and clean. Connect and clean, baby. Look at that. There's a forklift tank. While I can't scrap that, I can definitely get rid of that. That looks like, are those, is that metal base? Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I believe, let me see here. These tops, oh look at that, they're coming right up. Yeah, that comes up, look at that. There we go. That's what old Papi Chulo talk about, eh? Ese? Okay. Oh, no need for tools. They left it loosey-goosey. I gotta put my hands on you. Gotta put my hands on you. I gotta do it. There we go. Oh. Alright. That's some pretty heavy gauge steel right there. All right, big old rug. What do we got here? Okay, look at that. Look at that. We'll grab it since we're in here with the broomsticks and such. What's that? Another one. Another one. Got some cans. I'm good on cans. All right, yeah. It's the tall one, guys. It's the tall one. There's a bunch of bags of something. What the? Oh, what is this? It looks like dirt. Looks like dirt. Lots of bags of dirt. Must be samples of some sort, huh? It's no drogas. It's no drogas. What's up, metal bracket? Buried in the plastic. Oh, it's a sign holder. I got a sign holder down here. Jeez, there's another one. I don't know what it goes to. Okay. Mr. 4 with a motor in the floor. A 4 with the motor in the floor. Just one motor. It's a little guy. It's got some fuzz on it. You know what that means? You know what that means? You are unique. Oh, well, thank you. I'd like to think so myself. What's crack-a-lacking up in here, y'all? This thing looks pretty stuffed, huh? Looks like freezer baskets, but I don't see any freezer down here. Oh, jeez. See some brackets. Oh, what do we got here? It's a DVD player. Let's see, there's some metal brackets here. Let's grab that. Grab them all before they drop to the bottom and disappear forever. Okay, let's see. A little bit more. I think I see some wire down here. There's another piece of a computer, looks like. Another DVD drive. Alrighty. See, we've got some audio cable coming out of here. It's kind of weak. Kind of weak. It's kind of weak. There's a couple of chairs down there, but it's a little fuller than I like up in here. And this, what do we got here? Look at that. All right, we got memory. It all says Acer memory. There's just a little bit right here. Okay. It doesn't look like much of anything really. All right, let's get on down the road, y'all. Cool. Alright, look at that. Check it out. Got more scrap. That's the 6063 Bear extruded. Let's hop up in here. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking, baby. Big old pieces here. Shh, quiet. Go to kids, bust. Oh. Got some pieces. Got some pieces here. Whoa. More pieces there. Anything else in there? See nothing else in there. I see more pieces over yonder. Whoa. We got a few of them in here. A few in here tonight. Set that over here. Set those scraps right there. Got some pieces down here. Grab them suckers. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Alright. I've usually just been finding them right here on the end. We'll give a quick little glance. Put the pieces up down here. Okay. Check that box. Oh, there's some wire in here. A little bit of wire. Alright. Alright. Let's just kind of blast through here real quick. See what we see, if we see anything at all. Okay. Looks like it tonight. It looks like there might be some stuff in here. Let's check it out. I feel like I've seen a bracket back over yonder. There's something in this box. What's in the box? Some sort of bracket. We'll take it. Definitely take it. Something heavy down in this box. Here, we'll just cut it out from the bottom. Let's see. There is... What is that? That is Intelligent 12 charging tray case, huh? Huh, interesting. Experience more. There's another one down in here too. Let's see. Yep, there's another one. Open up, man. Yeah, it's a Intelligent 12 unit charging tray. Part number LA-381-01. Cool. Let's see. We got some stuff. Let's get us a box. Sure it's making a lot of racket. There's a bunch of crap in here. Don't need the foot thingies. Some wires. There's some batteries, some AAA's. There's a little strap. Man, need to go put a wedge out there. All this. Wedge out there under this dumpster. Keep it from rocking like that. These, I don't know what these are. They look like little insert slots. Brand new remote controls. Yeah, it's whatever these are. Probably something for sure. What's this thing? Just looks like a bunch of like mounting hardware. Okay, we got that box. Let's check over here. Kind of filter through these. There's another one of those. Listen Technologies. It's an intelligent cable management unit, LA-382. That's what's in those boxes. Nothing in that box. Okay, let's see. We'll toss this out there. Out there. I apologize about the racket. Got locks. Got some locks. Scraps. Doodad. This dumpster is just a rocking and a rolling. Alrighty. radio. I think that is about it. There's a few more of them pieces. All right, let's get out of this rattle box. Man, I'm getting like a headache. Getting a headache. Ooh, it's very, very breezy out here. Very, very breezy. I see wire mixed in with the stuff. It's like audio stuff, possibly. No, that could be cat wire. It could be. It looks cat-like in nature. Possibly, maybe. But all right, I'll take it. I don't see any more. Any more spools of wire? There goes something. Ooh, right up here on top. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no, another spool-tacular dumpster, guys. Ooh. What do we got here? That looks like cat wire. It sure is. That's cat wire. Ooh. There goes something. Goes all the way down. Whoa, I just got stabbed in the knee. Okay. All right, we got us a little, man. Got us a little protection from the wind. Down here. Look at this wire, y'all. It just keeps going. Oh my gosh. Wire coming. Ow. Coming through. Just kind of move that out of the way there. It's an obstacle course, guys. It's an obstacle course. Definitely one worth obstacling. Hold on, I gotta empty this out. All right. What is that? I don't know. Is that a camera? That's pretty cool looking. Huh. Ooh. Look at that. Is that optical? I think this may be optical. Yeah, this gray stuff, that ain't no good. Man, I got all like excited. But this stuff's good. All this is, that's too bad because there's a lot of weight here, but that's all optical. Grab that. Grab that. That's a lot of wire. Some of that looks like junk though, like just coax. But you can still, you know, scrap coax, just not like as non-ferrous. There we go. And that's what I'm gonna be doing when I get out of here. I'm gonna empty all this crap out of these boxes so I don't have to take all these spools and such home with me. Good night. Got a box. Another box here. Whew. All right, another box with more right here, Cat 6. Ton of it. All right. All right, y'all. Definitely not too shabby. Yeah. Woo, wires, baby. Alrighty, well, Mike the Scavenger strikes again. Oh man, I left a box back here. Oh well, I got most of it all opened up and emptied out, and it turned out one of those spools had a more optical wire on it, so I had to toss it back.